What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be heading back to the dyno one more time to retune and touch up the tune on Project Hot Wheels before we say goodbye to it. So before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, so we finally landed here at the dyno. If this scene doesn't look familiar, over here at Craig and Auto at Saybrook, Ohio, TI dyno. So let's go ahead and get in a trailer, get this thing unstrapped, and we'll get this thing into the dyno, get it strapped down, start getting all the diagnostics on it. It shouldn't take too long. And I gotta have my chip box. Lots of goodies in there. All right, so we're here getting ready to, we're strapping it down, getting ready to start making some hits on the dyno. You see I took the cutout out because I like to tune with the cutout out. The turbo flow a little bit better. It's not all backed up because, you know, you're not supposed to turn that thing up regardless on the street anyways. You're gonna get yourself hurt. But anyways, we're getting ready to start making some more power. I'm not necessarily looking to make more power, but you know, I'm just making sure that the tune's right before I deliver it to Sean or whatever. So, all right, so we're about to make our first pull here with Kevin and Dave here at TI dyno. What do you guys think of the new taillights I put in here? Those things are amazing. They were on a junk car, and we actually sanded them and polished them really good. So we don't have any boost in it right now, only about 9 pounds or something, 10 pounds. But we're trying to see if there was a hiccup in the tune, if there was any issues. So we're ready to make our first hit. Put some juice on it. Now remember, this is only a T5, so we got to be careful. Thought you were gonna make me edit the video. Come on, squirt it up.
Did you tighten up the strap?
Yep. Always want to make sure your straps are tight. I got 2 clicks out of that. Oh yeah. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna do the weather corrected so I can show you guys. No cheating on our dyno. Here we go. Right at 400. What? That's pretty good power for stock block. Wait, why are you looking at me funny? All right, so the first pull went pretty good. It made just under 400 pounds or 400 horsepower at 10 pounds. It's a little chilly out. Other things weather corrected. Everything looks good in the dyno. Car runs smooth. It likes the pulls. Did some tweaking in the tune. Had a couple things that were acting a little bit funny. The computer needed to reset with the RAM and stuff. So I think she's happy. Hopefully we don't blow the T5 up this time, but you know what? That thing's been through like 35 passes at the track, making, you know, running 1090s and 11.0s and 11teens and stuff. I'm pretty confident I ain't gonna break it on the dyno, so let's get another hit in. All right, here we go. Run number 2. I put about 16 clicks in the dial-a-bomb. What was that, 11 0.9? I think we went to 14 last time we were here. All right, so we're gonna click this thing back up another 16 clicks. It'll be right where it was at when we tuned it last time and where we were racing at. Bone stock motor, 302. Intake to pan. All right, so we're gonna make our third pull now. We're gonna get some juice on the tires because she was definitely spraying, or she was definitely spinning on the dyno here. Yeah. So how much boost did we make? Almost 15? She was slipping a little bit too. 471, 494. Well, we made 10 more. We made 10 more horsepower than last time. We gotta turn that shit down.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna want one more pull at 22 clicks. We backed it off quite a bit because we were a little bit high there. That's okay. See what happens. Clicks. That's pretty good. We were up about 10 clicks from their last pull. So here's the graph. Nice and clean. Clutch is still good. Everything's good. I am out of fuel because we just figured that out last pull, didn't we? So 42 pound injectors do not like past 450. It's always been that way though. So she makes power, man. Stock motor, stock cam. You guys see the video of me building this motor. There's nothing in this motor. I just refreshed it and did the turbo right and had it tuned right. I just turned the camera on and that's what started.
Fucking horse.
Whoa!
What do you call that lady?
Should I edit that?
I don't know. Probably should. Horse face, lion, sack of shit.
Oh my God. All right, so we finished Project Hot Wheels. I think it'll be the last time it sees this dyno, at least in my name. I think Sean will probably bring it back after he messes with it. But so what do you think?
Ow.
What happened in there? Give me a synapse real quick.
Ow. That runs pretty smooth. I mean,
hey, you're the dyno.
It seems to like about 12 pounds.
Capable of making 500 wheel?
Yeah, but the car needs a few upgrades to do that though.
Yeah.
It's not ready. Clutch, fuel.
Yeah.
You know. Maybe some chassis work.
Yeah. Whoops.
Well, I'm just saying.
I mean, we did run 1090 in pretty much a stock car.
Well, that's true.
With a chopped up turbo. But I mean, the nice thing about what we did with this turbo was we did what we do to it. We reinforced the shit out of it. We planed it. We made sure it was straight, clean. And you know, Sean's not gonna have any issue with this header for a long time. You know what I mean? You just gotta make sure you go over the bolts every once in a while and so on. But bone stock motor, folks. I'm pretty sure that thing could have made 500 wheel had it had the right injectors. If it had 60s in it, I think it would have went 500. But the clutch just was like, man, I had enough. I mean, sometimes it's just, it's still just a single disc clutch, so. But we didn't wipe the clutch out, but she was starting to slip. You can tell on the dyno when tires and clutch slip, so. But anyways, I just wanted to finish out the video, get some thoughts from the mad scientist and the Irishman. He's just a laborer here. But anyways, this is me signing off. This is Dave Dahlke. At Super Coops Unlimited. And Kevin Cragen at TI Dyno 474. Right, so we're taking it around the block one more time. You know, just to make sure she's got good drivability. Got to fix the cluster again. Cluster's not acting right. I think it's the cable. I think put this thing in the trailer. We got a couple things to tweak out a little bit. I'm gonna make one more clutch adjustment, mess with that little cluster thing right there, and then I think we're gonna go ahead and get this thing delivered to Sean.